Yo, what's good everyone? A quick impromptu video here because Bitcoin could be making a move soon. Just wanted to share my thoughts. Thought about it for a while, honestly. It's really tough to gather the direction. It's obviously we're building up to something here. We could see these dojis start to come out, these smaller candles. I've explained this in the past. When I'm sort of, let's just say lost for a lack of a better word, I try to, think, where's liquidity, right? In my opinion, this was the liquidity grab. I had spoken about this, took long off of this, right? And this is where I closed my long. That was not necessarily live called on Twitter, but I did talk about it and post the idea about it, that we were headed from somewhere down here up into this area to take all this liquidity. Now that was done, and we have yet to close above, right? So basically, here's my game plan. We've seen times where liquidities gets taken, and then you grind along the resistance or the support for quite some time, and then you can eventually get a rejection. Totally possible, right? But what I'm really looking for here is a 1D close, so a daily close above 60,200. That would be my sign to try to start finding a dip to get long, because I just don't want to be I just don't want to be a gambler, right? Even though bull market, trending upwards, right? Trade the trend. So the logical bet is up, right? But I just don't, I'd rather save my capital for a better trade. That's just, how I operate. So I'm looking for a 1 day or daily close above 60,200, and then I'll be looking to get long. If it's some type of close where it's just like it closes like right here, it's a little sketchy, right? I'll probably do like a half risk position or something, because it'll be a pretty tight stop. The stop will be right below this consolidation. So, but if it's if it's a daily close up here, then I'm looking for a retest of any type of this old data right here and push us higher. Obviously it all depends, right? If it looks super bullish, maybe I have to jump in 50% here and leave the other 50% of my orders here. Tiny bit FOMO-y, but you gotta take what the market gives you. Sometimes you're not always gonna get a great retest. Look at something like this, the Elon candle, so to say. On the downside, if I was to think, where is liquidity? You do have some more obvious levels, like this untested support level here, that if we were to push down and to like swipe all these lows, totally possible, an area to buy. I'm sure everyone would be like probably giga bearish in there, but that'd probably be a good buying opportunity. Outside of that, if I'm just looking without going to the extremes, we can see liquidity was taken from this low, and then it was swiped again off this low, right? So liquidity taken, reclaims, and this is where it goes. Okay, if we were to break down and this was to flip to resistance, right? So let's pretend this flips to resistance. What would happen then? Let's see. So say we break down, right? This flips to resistance. We probably have to be targeting, I feel like you have to be targeting around here, this sort of origin of impulse breakout move right here, which would be right around, there we go. Should be right around, 50, 52, 53. So I guess that's it, guys. You know the plan, right? So daily close above here, I'm looking to get long. Breakdown. I would be watching this level for a potential bounce. I don't know how long it lasts, though. You might get rejected off something like that and then head down toward that liquidity. But yeah, those are just my rough ideas for now. I feel like Bitcoin's in a pretty tough place right now for most people, unless I'm the only one who feels like this consolidation is obviously not extremely easy to read, in my personal opinion. So that's it. Hopefully it's helpful. Thanks, guys, and let's try to catch this long. If it happens, that's really what I'm looking for most. All right, have a great night.